to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to make a Facebook page. It's totally easy. First of all, you have to go on Play Store and download a Facebook. After downloading a Facebook, it's mandatory to you have an own account and on Facebook account. So I have an account, then I am simply opening my account. Open Facebook. You will see a such type of interface after logging in your Facebook. Then come on next side, in the corner 3 buttons, click on it. You will see such type of interface. In this options you will also see the page options. Just click on it. You will see such type of interface. You will see 3 options. Number 1 is create, number 2 is like pages, and number 3 is invite. So I am creating a page, so I will click on create button. Okay, then let's get started. Here is the what's your page name. Okay, in this box we have to put a page name. For suppose my page name is Li Ali. Next, what category best describes Ali, which means which category you want to make. For suppose if you are a musicians, then musicians, a band, then you will click on musicians. If you are health, or you are a doctor, or you are a beauty, then you will click on obviously you will click on health and beauty option. There are many options you have to click. For suppose I am in a health and beauty, then I am selecting health and beauty equals 3, and all these are these all increase your reach on your page. So click on all these buttons. Okay, and then create. After next we will see such type of interface. You have to put your biodata. For suppose putting my biodata, I am a doctor, etc. You have to put your biodata, health, HE, health. Okay, you will put about it, okay, who I am, etc. You have to put on all these you have found. Number 1 is website. If you are using any website, then you put on this website. You have to if you are using your email, you confirm your email, because if you are forgetting your passwords, then you have to recover this from your page. This is your phone number, and this is your locations, your address, your towns. Okay, and hours, no hours available, open, always open, 100 hours. Okay, you have to put all these options before you go next. This is my page, and this is action button. This is my profile, and if you are selecting profile, this is my cover photo, and I am nexting this profile, this account. Okay, connect WhatsApp to your page. If you are connecting your page into your WhatsApp number, or then it's your choice. I don't want to connect my page into a WhatsApp number, that's why I'm skipping this option. Okay, then option is invite your friends. If you invite your friends, then automatically it increase reach on your page. Okay, done. These are my page. Switching profile. Okay, start. Skip. This is my page. If I want to post, then I will click on A button, then through this option I will post. Okay, this is my page. This is about mentions, etc. These are the pages. So it's my name, page name. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe Thai Schooling. Thank you so much. click on bell icon button for more informative videos. Thank you so much.